Hey everyone, this is Nemo and welcome to another awesome PrestaShop quick tip. So today we're going to see how to change the department or contact type for customer messages, also known as customer threads in PrestaShop 1.6. Bear in mind this modification works for 30Bs as well, the PrestaShop fork. Now, I was actually surprised it was not possible to change the thread type in PrestaShop because the code responsible for changing it is actually there already. It's in PrestaShop already. So all we need to do is assign and use some variables into the template. So I will go to my PrestaShop folder. I will open up controllers, admin, customer threads, if I can find it, controller. And then around line 700, you can see it's assigning some variables to the template. So what I want to do here is, since I have contact, which is the contact name for, let me show you here, the single thread, what I'm going to do is assign all the contacts which are here. So contacts, oops, not semicolon, equals contacts. All right. Then just to show you the code is really here, I'll go to post process, and you can see if ID contact is sent over, this piece of code here, this query will update the customer threads contact ID, also known as type, also known as department, as you prefer. Now, all we need to do is add this, use this contacts variable we just added in the template. And the template is located into the admin folder, themes, default, template, controllers, customer threads, helpers, view, and this is view.tpl. So this part here with the well is around up here at the top, so we're gonna add a box at the top as well. I'm gonna use the same class, so div class well, and I'm text expanding here. Then we're gonna use a form with action link get admin link, admin customer threads, and actually to be faster, let me just copy this one and we'll close the form, and I will get rid of the enc type since I don't need it. And then inside it, I'm going to add a div with class row, another div with class call sm3, which is going to be a very short column, very narrow. Then I'm going to add a select box since we want to loop through our contacts, right? So I'm going to call it ID contact as, if you recall what we just saw here, let me scroll down to post process again. It's looking for ID contact so that by using this ID contact name variable, we do not have to add anything to what is there already. So select name ID contact, ID doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to use for each, so smarty for each from contacts item. I will not use contact here. I will use depth since contact is being used already. It's assigned to a template already. So I'm going to add an option for each of these, and the value is going to be depth dot ID contact, and I will add a condition here. If the depth dot name equals contact, which is the current contact that we had assigned already into the template, if this is the same, we will use selected equals selected, so that the option will be pre-selected when we access the page. Alright, so inside the option, I'm going to add dept.name. Okay, then after this, outside the for each outside the select, and actually I think outside the call.sm class div as well, I will add another div with class again call.sm3 to make it even. I'm going to add a button with class button default, and the type is going to be, of course, submit, since we need to submit this information. Inside it, ls, this is the standard translatable string PrestaShop offers us, change department. Alright, button, everything seems right, so let's go back and refresh. Okay, so it's webmaster right now. We only have 2. Let's try to change to customer service. And it seems to work. So let's go back to customer service. And you can see it's now customer service. Again, let's change it back. Webmaster, go back to customer service, and you can see it's changed back. Pretty easy, isn't it? Alright, so this is everything for today's video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel and follow the blog at nemops.com for other great PrestaShop tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.